Are you looking for a smartwatch that is more than simply a gadget? The perfect smartwatch may be like a true companion on your wrist, helping you stay on track with your fitness objectives and making daily life easier. There's a model for every lifestyle, whether you want sharp, colorful screens, accurate heart rate and sleep tracking, or a watch that also functions as a personal assistant with calls, messages, and voice commands. Some watches excel at sports tracking, offering hundreds of modes, GPS navigation, and recovery insights, while others prioritize style, battery life, and smart functions such as music management or Alexa integration. In this countdown, we've compiled a list of the finest smartwatches that combine technology, health, and convenience to help you find the ideal wrist companion. Number 7. Trrowy. If you want a smartwatch that feels like a true everyday companion rather than simply another gadget, the Trrowy smartwatch meets the bill surprisingly well. The first thing you notice is the large 1.83-inch HD touchscreen. It's bright, crisp, and easy to read, whether you're checking the clock, skimming notifications, or navigating menus. The configurable watch faces are also a wonderful touch. You can choose between sporty, simple, or more fashionable designs based on your mood or attire, making it feel more personal and less generic. It has a lot of fitness-related features. It has 120 sport modes, ranging from walking and jogging to cycling and swimming. The heart rate and sleep tracking functions run discreetly in the background, providing a good insight into your daily patterns. It's not a medical device, but it's useful for identifying patterns and keeping motivated. The IP67 water resistance eliminates the need to worry about perspiration, rain, or hand washing, yet deep or long swims should still be avoided. Bluetooth calling and music controls are among the handiest features. You can answer calls, manage your music, and view notifications from apps like WhatsApp or Instagram without having to take out your phone. Another advantage is the battery, which can last many days with moderate use. Overall, it's a feature-rich, practical smartwatch with a few minor limitations, but for everyday use, it offers practically everything most people require. Number 6. Silso. If you prefer a smartwatch that feels more like a smart assistant on your wrist, the Silso model does an excellent job of combining everyday convenience with fitness functions. The 1.83-inch HD touchscreen is bright, sharp, and easy to operate, and the 3D tempered glass adds a luxury feel while also increasing longevity. With adjustable brightness and a variety of configurable watch faces, you can easily tailor the watch to your style, whether it's sporty, minimalist, or a little more fun. One of the most notable features is the built-in Alexa. The ability to ask for the weather, create reminders, control music, and even manage smart home devices without touching your phone is really useful, especially when you're busy. Bluetooth calling and alerts function seamlessly, allowing you to answer calls and view messages from apps such as WhatsApp or Instagram directly on your wrist. The fitness watch offers over 120 sports modes and accurately measures steps, calories, distance, and training duration. The heart rate and sleep tracking run in the background all day, which is wonderful for getting a sense of your patterns, but it is still more for general well-being than medical precision. The battery easily lasts several days, assuming you don't charge it every night. However, intensive use with calls and Alexa will drain it quickly. The IP68 classification withstands sweat and rain effectively, but it is not intended for swimming or hot showers. Overall, it's a fairly feature-rich smartwatch with a few minor limitations, but for everyday use, it provides practically everything most people desire from a modern fitness watch. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy. If you want a smartwatch that feels more like a personal coach on your wrist, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is a great option. The 40mm round touchscreen is sleek, lightweight, and easy to wear all day, making it ideal for workouts as well as everyday use. One of its noteworthy features is the Galaxy AI, which provides you with an energy score each morning, indicating how prepared your body is to face the day based on your prior activity. It's like doing a quick wellness check every morning without even thinking about it. The watch also improves your fitness game. Advanced heart rate tracking, which takes into consideration your body's movements, provides more precise readings during workouts, runs, and cycling sessions. Sleep tracking is another highlight, as it allows you to analyze your sleep habits and even detect mild severe sleep apnea, providing insights to help you sleep better. Furthermore, the Wellness Tips feature provides individualized recommendations to help you remain on track with your goals, transforming your watch into a mini life coach. Where it shines, it truly shines, but there are a few things to consider. The watch lacks built-in GPS, so you'll need to use your phone for exact outdoor monitoring. Battery life is adequate, although it can drain faster if you utilize all of the AI features extensively. Overall, the Galaxy Watch 7 is a well-rounded smartwatch that combines style, fitness, and smart insights into one package, making it ideal for anybody looking for a tech-savvy companion to help them stay healthy and more conscious of their daily energy levels. Number 4. AAC. If you're looking for a wristwatch that's stylish, clever, and actually useful, the AAC smartwatch for women is ideal. The 1.32-inch AMOLED touchscreen is bright, sharp, and extremely sensitive, making it simple to navigate menus, check messages, or view your data. With over 200 watch faces and the ability to personalize your own images, you can easily make this watch seem uniquely yours, whether you're getting ready for work or heading out for a workout. The health tracking feature of this watch is quite impressive. It measures heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep, stress, and everyday activity, providing you with a complete picture of your health. The 110-plus sports modes include everything from yoga and cycling to swimming, and the 3 ATM waterproof rating means it can withstand splashes, rain, and sweaty workouts without issue. Add Alexa voice control and smooth call capabilities with clear speakers and microphones, and you have a watch that doubles as a small assistant, allowing you to take calls, give commands, and manage music all from your wrist. The battery life is also outstanding, lasting up to 10 days on a short 2-hour charge. The watch will track your steps, calories, and workouts continuously, so you always have a snapshot of your progress. On the flip side, GPS requires your phone, so outdoor tracking isn't fully standalone, and some advanced features can feel a bit slow on occasion. Still, for anyone wanting a stylish, versatile smartwatch that balances fitness, health monitoring, and everyday convenience, this AAC model is a solid choice that does almost everything most people need. Number 3. Doogie. The Doogie Anyise W1 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable smartwatch that is built for adventure while also being packed with smart capabilities. Its 1.43-inch AMOLED display is bright, sharp, and snappy, and the zinc alloy body provides a rugged, sturdy feel that can withstand hard environments. It fulfills military standards for high temperatures, dust, and low pressure, and with a 5 ATM waterproof certification, you don't have to worry about rain, showers, or swimming. This watch is clearly designed for folks who enjoy being active outside while maintaining high-tech capabilities. The GPS setup is impressive. Dual-band L1 plus L5 compatibility with 6 worldwide satellites offers quick and accurate monitoring whether you're jogging, hiking, or riding. You also get a compass, altimeter, and barometer, allowing you to know your exact location, altitude, and air pressure in real time. Furthermore, it continuously monitors your health, including heart rate, sleep, stress, and blood oxygen levels, allowing you to better understand your habits and enhance your fitness. With over 170 sports modes and real-time workout statistics, it's an adaptable tool for serious fitness fanatics. Another plus is the long-lasting battery. Smart power management and a 550 mAh battery allow for up to 18 days of regular use or 40 hours of continuous GPS monitoring, making it ideal for extended travels or outdoor pursuits. The watch also serves as a useful daily assistant, offering Bluetooth calling, music management, weather updates, voice commands, and LED flashlight, and even translation capabilities. The only disadvantages are that it cannot respond to messages directly and that some AI voice features are limited. Overall, the Anyise W1 is an excellent smartwatch for guys who desire durability, superior tracking, and multifunctional convenience in one. Number 2. Garmin Forerunner. If you're serious about running or simply want a smartwatch to keep track of your fitness, the Garmin Forerunner 165 is a great candidate. Its 1.2-inch AMOLED display is clear, vivid, and simple to use, and classic button controls allow you to operate it even while running. The lightweight 43mm design keeps it comfortable on your wrist all day, whether you're training, working, or simply going about your daily routine. One of the most notable features is the built-in GPS, which measures your speed, distance, and location with remarkable accuracy. With wrist-based heart rate monitoring, you can keep track of your effort and progress. The watch provides customizable daily exercise that adjusts based on your performance and recovery, while Garmin Coach and Race Adaptive training plans help you prepare for specific events. With over 25 activity profiles, including running, cycling, HIIT, and strength training, you can track almost any workout. Recovery insights and training effect labels illustrate how each session affects your fitness and how long you need to rest before the next high-effort moderate activity. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and approximately 19 hours with GPS active, making it suitable for extended training sessions or multi-day expeditions. Smart features like phone and text notifications, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and the Garmin Connect app enable you to track data, participate in challenges, and compete against friends. Safety features like incident detection are a nice bonus, but they rely on your smartphone and network connectivity. Overall, the Forerunner 165 offers superior fitness monitoring, smart features, and comfort, but it is best suited to individuals who are prepared to rely on their phone for some functions. Number 1. Amazfit. If you want a smartwatch that combines style, durability, and serious fitness tracking, the Amazfit Active 2 Premium is an excellent choice. Its stainless steel chassis gives it a sleek, premium appearance, and the 1.32-inch AMOLED display is bright and easy to read even in direct sunlight, making it ideal for both workouts and everyday use. The watch comes with 2 leather straps for a sophisticated look and a sports strap for active days, so it can easily adjust to whatever you're doing. This watch excels at tracking your health and fitness. Amazfit's BioTracker technology offers precise heart rate monitoring and extensive sleep tracking, providing insights that help you optimize your rest and workouts. You can track practically any activity with over 160 sports modes, including running, cycling, and yoga, as well as specialist options such as high rocks races and strength training. The built-in GPS, which is supported by 5 satellite systems, ensures quick and accurate placement, while downloadable maps with turn-by-turn directions let you securely manage your routes, ideal for trekking, skiing, or city runs. It's also 50-meter water resistant, so swimming and rainy workouts aren't an issue. The battery life is remarkable, lasting up to 10 days with regular use, meaning less time charging and more time tracking your activities. The Zepp app securely keeps all of your data, provides useful insights, and does not require any hidden subscriptions. On the flip side, some advanced features, such as GPS tracking, need connectivity with your phone, and the display, while bright, might feel small when viewing detailed maps. Overall, the Amazfit Active 2 Premium strikes a mix between style, health tracking, and smart capabilities, making it a great all-day companion for fitness fanatics. And there you have it, the best smartwatches that combine style, fitness, and smart convenience into a single elegant package. Everyone can find something for themselves, from the Amazfit Active 2 Premium's precise health tracking and long-lasting battery to the Garmin Forerunner's run-focused features and the Doogie Anyise W1's tough adventure-ready design. These watches are versatile, serving as a personal fitness coach, a tech-savvy assistant, or a dependable daily companion. Remember that the ideal smartwatch is more than simply its features. It must also suit your lifestyle. If you love this roundup and want to remain up to speed on the latest tech selections, click the subscription button and join the Legit Pick family for more honest, in-depth evaluations of the greatest gadgets available.